So today I decided to take a walk in the falls. So I'm going to take you with me on this walk. You know, it's not all the time that I take a walk, but I just decided today I just want to basically just refresh and, you know, get into the new week with a clear mind. So what better way to do it? So I am just going to take you with me on this walk, and then hopefully one day we can walk together instead of you just seeing me enjoy all by myself. We're gonna take a walk together when you come visit. So here is one of my many happy places in Victoria Falls, and let's see what treat the falls has for us. Okay, so the story of the locks. As you can see, there are locks right here. I'm still by the spot that I showed you. Yeah, I'm still by the double rainbow. So the story of the locks. If you are in a relationship, partnership, situationship, whatever it is that you label it, marriage, boyfriend, girlfriend, I don't know. You can get your locks made. You can engrave your names on a lock, and then you come and you lock it on this blessed pole. And then the belief is that your relationship / partnership, whatever it is, will be blessed abundantly, because we believe that a place like the Victoria Falls is very spiritual. It's not just a geographic location, is very spiritual, and with spiritual forces come a lot of blessings, right? So if you want to bless you and your partner forever after, when you come, you can find a lock, engrave your names, and then you can just put the lock right up on here. How beautiful is that? My husband and I are still to do it. We definitely must. I'm still in the falls. I am chilling in one of my favorite spots. I really love this spot because it's just so green. I'll just show you. It's just so green. And I'm still by myself. I saw a family, but I think they've disappeared somewhere. So I'm still by myself here. And check out, this is the drinking spot. If you get thirsty, there's a sink within a tree stump. That's just how natural this place is. Can I see animals here? Yes, you can sometimes. No, not leopards, not lions, no. You can see kudus sometimes here. I once saw a kudu, and it was just grazing and just enjoying its habitat. Because at the end of the day, we are in a national park. We are in the animal space, so they are allowed to roam around as they please. But yeah, now that I've had my water break, I am going to continue. This is where you really get rained on. So if you don't like getting wet, like I said, you need your umbrella and your raincoat. So I hope that you will soon come and visit us in Vic Falls. And I'm telling you, if you're somebody who loves nature, this is the place for you to be. The nature is just so calming. It's so calming. You feel as if there is there's no hurriedness in a place like this. It's just still, and for some people it's boring. That stillness is boring, but for some people that stillness is very welcome, and I'm one of those people. The breeze, the water, the constant sound of the falls, the green, the rustling leaves, like every day, all day, for me, I wouldn't trade it for anything. But definitely some people want it in bits and pieces, not forever after, but I think I can do this forever after. I really do think I can. So thank you for tuning in, and yeah, I will be showing you more and more and more and more of what this place has to offer, especially what makes me love this place. So stay tuned. Thank you. Until later.